Introducing the Totalkare XL cutting-edge wheel alignment technology built specifically for commercial vehicles. Equipped with high-definition cameras, the Totalkare XL ensures accuracy and precision with its advanced long-range capabilities. Designed for maximum speed and durability, the Totalkare XL delivers precise readings in 4 minutes or less, thanks to its high-resolution cameras and low-maintenance, robust targets. With fast, self-centering adapters and quick rolling compensation, it's easier than ever to achieve perfect alignment. Monitor live measurements on multiple axles simultaneously, guided by user-friendly alignment procedures that simplify the process for effortless operation. Whilst the Totalkare is tailored for commercial vehicles, the versatility of the Totalkare XL allows for wheel alignment on passenger cars and light commercial vehicles as well. Learn more at totalkare.co.uk.